So, is the Dentavim health supplement legit? So, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so you've probably seen ads all over your phone about it. So, I'm going to tell you why you've seen the ads, or is it legit or a scam. So, first of all, you've seen the ads because they have a affiliate program on ClickBank where people get, I think, 50% commission. So, if you buy for 6 bottles, they get like $117, and yeah, that's why it's promoted so much. So yeah, is it legit or not? So first of all, fully backed by clinical research. Where is the clinical research? Where's the study? And then they have 100 satisfaction percent, 90-day money back guarantee, and they have made in FDA, but they have shown no proof if it's made in the FDA registered facility. And then order 6 bottles and get 2 free bonuses. That's okay. And yeah, 96 of customers order 6 bottles. Yeah, what do you mean? Okay, and then here their like ingredients, and here are their reviews, which look really AI generated. As you see, this looks like a fake person. It's not, doesn't look legit, so I will really be suspicious. It should be like different. And yeah, now let's go to reviews. Dentavim Trustpilot. If they have a Trustpilot, then they're legit usually, and you can read it, but I don't see anything. So yeah, it's a scam. Contact your dental professional if you have any problems, and he shall help you.